Sorry. And we're back with Anna. She has been telling us about her big smarty cookies, and I'm not quite sure what she has in store for us this time, so let's hear from Anna herself.
All right. What I have in store for you are apple cookies.
Apple cookies.
Yeah, very basic name. I know some of the others have been quite involved. Simply apple cookies.
Yes.
The thing with these apple cookies, I've been getting a lot of demand for cookies that are for people who have special dietary needs. The fact that you have special dietary needs doesn't mean that you don't want to indulge your sweet tooth a little bit. So these apple cookies are actually made with a sugar substitute. They have in molasses and applesauce, but as well as chopped apple. So hence the name apple, apple cookies. So these are a nice small bite size, and they go well. I put them in a teacup because they go well with a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, glass of lemonade. It's wonderful when you're just relaxing in the afternoon or something and you want something to serve to your guests or just to have for yourself. And you can have them guilt-free, because they, as I said, they do use this sugar substitute. So this is perfect for people with special dietary needs. But the good thing about it, they don't have that taste that, oh yeah, well, I could tell this is for people with special dietary needs, you know. They really are perfect for everybody. So if I didn't tell you that, you wouldn't necessarily know. But I mentioned that just to let you know that Anna SmartCake Big Smarty Cookies deals with people who have, you know, the whole range of people.
Yeah, I really like the fact that you cater to different needs. I know I've tasted these apple cookies myself, and I was surprised by the fact that you get that little burst of sweet, and as you said, it's guilt-free.
Yes.
So I recommend definitely the apple cookies. Let's take one more look at it.
Yes, and just to mention, you know, we have the Facebook page, and I'm really hoping that my Facebook fans will communicate with me, because I know there are vegans out there, there are people with very special needs. Let me know, and I love to experiment, I love to create, so I'm willing to try to see what I could do. Gluten-free is something I'm thinking about going with. So listen out, keep checking the Anna SmartCakes page. In fact, just like us, so that every time that something comes up, every time that something new is posted, you could see it, because we're coming to meet your needs very shortly.
You heard that, folks. Go to the Anna SmartCakes page, like it, share it, and most importantly, check out Anna's cookies. These are the apple cookies that we featured in this video.